On January 8, 2019, what began as a routine operation quickly spiraled into a life or death situation. Officers arrived at a location, discussing the situation and confirming that the suspect was not inside. As they prepared for further action, the body cam footage captured the tense atmosphere, background noise, radio chatter, and hurried movements filling the air. Then, without warning, chaos erupted. A gunshot rang out, and in an instant, the operation took a tragic turn. A female officer had been accidentally shot in the back by a fellow officer.
Cool. Lafayette 367.
Can I just look in there and make sure that my dog just... She's not
If you would make sure that we're showing apartment number 2. Same numerics, but apartment number 2. Copy, and we're being given consent to go inside and look. We'll be inside. You just want to step right over there, hon, and we'll be right back. Lafayette Police Department, anybody inside? Come out now, make yourself known. Go to the right, check this kitchen. You want to hold left? We're clear in here. Yeah, go ahead. Hey, watch that dog. Yeah, maybe you ought to hold there and make sure you don't get out.
Yeah.
Just if it starts getting out, just put your foot up like that. It's okay. Just hold that. Watch that couch too. You can step in. We're clear. Yeah, I mean, let's check with this guy. Hey! Oh. What happened? What happened?
Medic Singleton. Medic Singleton.
Did my dog get out?
What happened? I tased you?
Do you have your taser out?
Where are you? Where are you shot?
Hey, relax. Did you have your taser out?
Where?
Right here. Lafayette 367. Medic signal 10. Start shift command.
Stay with us. Stay with us.
Okay.
It's hooked. It's okay. It's okay. It's hooked.
Okay, let me see, babe. Come here. Listen up, baby. Come here. Where's your vest? Get your vest undone. Okay, let's see if it's through. Roll over on your side, baby. Okay, come here. 367, signal 10, medics. Okay, let's get her up and get her in my car. Let's go. Yeah, come on, baby. Come here, baby. It's okay. Dispatch, we got an officer who's been shot. My car over here. Sit down right here. I'm gonna get my car. Right there. Secure this. Secure that. Put pressure on that. On her back. Come on, bring your car. Bring your car.
Hey, get my
Hey,
car,
no.
get out of there
Hey,
right now.
hey, It's in it. Get her in here. We're taking her to the hospital right now. Open it. We're taking her right to the hospital ourselves. Get in. Slide over, baby. Hang on, door. Go. Pressure, set up, baby. Pressure.
Guys.
Hey, baby, look at me.
Right,
Wait.
there's the ambulance, guys.
Ambulance, stop here. Get us out of this door. It's locked. Get us out.
Get in the ambulance.
Come here, baby.
Get in the ambulance. Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Come on. Come here. Scene secure. Let's go. Side door.
I can't.
You're fine.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You're almost there. Come here, baby.
Let's get all of her gear off once we get her.
Yeah.
Okay.
What happened?
She's been shot. Right back here. Up. Come on, baby. Come on, girl. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on. We're almost there. Let's go. Get her up there.
Face.
So, I have not checked that. Our dog's not having there. We haven't really checked under the couch. He's been pushing on the side of that cage, kind of trying to get out. So if you notice, just put your foot up there.
Good.
All good.
Hey.
Medic signal 10. Medic signal 10. What happened? I tased you?
You have your taser out?
Where are you at? Where are you shot?
Hey, relax. Did you have your taser out? Where? Right here.
Stay with us. Stay with us.
It's hooked. It's hooked too.
Okay, let me see, babe. Come here. Listen up, baby. Come here. Where's your vest? Get your vest undone. Okay, let's see if it's through. Roll over on your side, baby. Okay, come here. 367, signal 10 minutes. Okay, let's get her up and get her in my car. Let's go. Yeah, come on, baby. Come here, baby. Okay. Vest, we got an officer inside. My car over here.
Oh,
Sit down right here. I'm gonna get my car. Right there. Secure this. Secure that. Go. Put pressure on that.
Let me up just a little bit.
You okay? You okay? Stay with me. You okay? You're okay. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me.
Hey, get my drama kit out of there right now! Get my drama kit! Get her in here. We're taking her to the hospital right now. Go open it.
Come on.
We're taking her right to the hospital ourselves. Hang on, door. Go. Pressure, set up, baby. Pressure.
Guys.
Hey, baby, look at me.
Right,
Wait.
there's the ambulance, guys.
Ambulance, stop here. Get us out of this door. It's locked.
Get out.
Get us out.
Right here. Right here. Come here. Pull her out.
Come here, baby.
It was.
You got the house secure? What happened?
It was my firearm.
Come back here.
Okay. Gonna hold that. I'll check this.
Yeah. Hey, what?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well, you gotta hold there and make sure you don't get out.
Yeah.
Just put your foot up a little bit. It's okay.
I'm standing here by the door if you want to walk in. Okay. So, I have not checked that. Our dog's not happy we're here. We haven't really checked under the couch. He's been pushing on the side of that cage, kind of trying to get out. So if he does, just put your foot up there. All good. Okay.
Hey!
Get out.